I've worked with LG House in Korea for several years, and I've used also the HIMACS material of LG House on several projects. So when they contacted me and said, well, we have HIMACS, would you like to design or do a line of colors, new colors for us? Then they contacted me about doing an exhibition in Milan. I was thrilled about it. I mean, it's a great opportunity to be able to design a nice small apartment and push the boundaries of the HIMACS material. It's fantastic material because it's a solid surface material that affords you to cut, fabricate, form, thermoform, cast. So the opportunity to work with the material, you could almost do anything with it, really. You can curve it quite easily, so you can do things like kitchen cabinets that are, let's say, more rounded or curved, using just these materials, traditional materials, as flat surfaces. So I think you can kind of get a third dimensionality out of the material. The material is fantastically durable, so it will last forever. And also in regards to that, it's great for its warmth. So for the human interface, touching it and everything, it's very comfortable too. So it has a great deal of properties. On top of that, I designed a collection of colors specifically for the HIMACS called Sparkle. And I did some additives in it to give it a little bit of reflectivity and a little bit of shine. And those colors then I used in the house to really show off the new color collection that I've done too. The concept of the space, it's like a one-bedroom apartment really, is based on creating a more fluid composition where somebody who's living in a space. So I've designed, for example, a bed that has a very high back wall, and that high back wall is shared with the living room. So in turn, you still have only one open space. You're not really closing it with walls, but you have this kind of dynamic and the fluidness, and at the same time, a certain level of privacy. That if you want to have a nice, easy, more experiential and more pleasurable life, then there really shouldn't be any kind of sharp corners or, platonic objects in your way. The soft forms allows you, I think, to be more, kind of navigate in your life more seamlessly, let's say. The message I'm trying to convey in a way is, number one, to show that the HIMACS material, how flexible it is and the things that are possible with it. Number two is a bit of my vision of how I feel one could live in a small apartment. I mean, really down there you have something like 70 square meters. To think about creating a world that's more soft and more organic and more what I call techno-organic, really, that you can actually live with comfortably, that allows you to feel freer, let's say. Softer form and softer spaces give a sense of, more visceral sense of infinity.